Searching for a method to do effective copywriting? Copywriters are usually paid a lot and they earn a lot when compared to other writers. This course will teach you everything about what you have to do if you want to become a good copywriter. Copywriting. This term may look like it is very simple, but actually it is not. It is really difficult to create a good and innovative copy for copywriting. But do not worry, I have tracked some tricks to do copywriting and I will share all those in this course in a step-by-step manner. You will get my blueprint to generate good content for copywriting. Also, I have included some tips about how to do copywriting for social medias. Apart from this, I am providing you my 2 traffic generation softwares totally free with the course, which will be a great help. Once you get an idea about how a copy should be, you will be able to shine with your copywriting contents in all the niche you choose. So what are you waiting for? I do offer 100% money back guarantee if this course didn't satisfy you. You will get a bunch of information in this course, and once you complete it, you will be an expert in copywriting. And you know what? My freebies will also help to a great extent in promoting your copywriting ads. So enroll to my course today and shape yourself as a good copywriter.